Hello, it's Dr. Cook here, and in this podcast I'm going to teach you how to make a hyperlink on your web page. One of the great things about the World Wide Web is the ability for one web page to link to another web page. That's why they call it the World Wide Web. So we're going to start by opening index.html in Notepad. Open with Notepad. And there's the file as we last left it. This is very easy. I'm going to add an anchor tag below this paragraph. A for anchor, href for hypertext reference. And now the text I type after the beginning part of the anchor tag is going to be clickable. And I don't know what that is yet, so for now we'll just call it clickable text. And then we'll end the anchor tag. Let's save this and see what it looks like in a web browser. I just have to clear the history a minute. Thank you. Now here's the clickable text and our image, and it's kind of all jumbled in one row. The layout is a bit confusing. So here's an easy thing we can add to make it more appealing. Just before the image tag, I'm going to add something called a horizontal rule, HR. That's it. You don't need an ending tag. Reload. Now this has forced the image down below this rule line, so we have a little more manageable web page. Let's go back to index. Right now we don't have anything in the quotation marks, and we don't really know yet what the name of the page is that we're adding a hyperlink to. So for the time being, you can just use a pound symbol as a placeholder for the link. And on your home page, you're asked to make a list of all your upcoming web pages. So instead of I hate computers, let's type something more meaningful. Or something like that. And let's say that the first one we're going to list is the digital divide assignment. Let's see what that looks like. Save, go back to the browser, and reload. Now we have a list of my upcoming assignments. We have digital divide. If I click on it, it doesn't actually go anywhere, but you notice that the link changed color, indicating that it is now a visited link. Let's add another link. Before the digital divide assignment, you're asked to do the World Wide Web validation assignment. Now this is going to be a different kind of link because this is an external link or an absolute link. So for this we'll need the full reference of the page. So you're going to start with http://validator.w3.org, quotation marks, again always in quotation marks. Then this link will take us to the W3C validator, and we'll end the anchor tag. Let's see what this looks like. Save, go back to the browser, reload. There, now we have our link to the validator, but it's not very nice if we're going to continue adding links and they go horizontally across the page. So another very easy way we can fix this, an easy tag to learn, is called a break tag. And like the horizontal rule, it does not need an ending tag. So it's just simply angle bracket, BR, angle bracket. Let's see, save, and reload. There, that's better. Now you notice that the digital divide link, when you eventually create the page and actually know what the name of the page is going to be, then you will put it in there. But it only needs to be something like, you do not need, if divide.html is in the same folder as index.html, you don't need the full http:// name. This is known as a relative link because it's to a page that's in the same folder as the page that's referencing it. Let's see what this looks like. There you go. Now, since divide.html doesn't currently exist, we will get a file not found error. But we can open this one and see it takes a moment and it goes to the World Wide Web Markup Validation Service. And that's it. That's all there is to it. Bye for now.